Hey guys, welcome to Sharing It. Google is trying to fix its messaging apps from a decade but has failed till now. And over the years, iPhone brought iMessage, but Google is lacking a popular Android messaging app. But this time, Google is not bringing a new application. It is trying to fix the old application. So let's see what's new in Android messaging. I'm Ujjwal Tripathi, you're watching Sharing It. Please hit that red subscribe button for more awesome tech videos. And if you have already subscribed, then hit the like button. This video is based on a report published on Verge.com. All thanks to them. I've also given the link in the description so you can check out them. If you know Verge.com, then like this video. Google is bringing a new application and this will replace your SMS and it is called as Chat. It is based on a standard called Universal Profile for Rich Communication Services. The main point over here is that Chat is not a new application. It is just an advanced version of your messaging application on your mobile phone. The message application is available on all of the Android smartphones. Chat is a consumer-friendly name for the Rich Communication Service or RCS. This communication feature will be turned on into the message application automatically from Google. The traditional texting application like Messages or the modern applications like Facebook, WhatsApp or the iMessage from Apple. These all applications use OTT, over-the-top services. Now OTT means that the message sending capability will be dependent on the phone's carrier. But Google Chat is different. You need not to download any new application, or instead of using OTT, it uses RCS, Rich Communication Services, as I told earlier. Many features that are common in texting applications like WhatsApp, Facebook or iMessage will be available in the Google's Chat, like sending video, images, making group text, and all the other popular services will be available in the Google Chat. Chat is a carrier-based service and not a Google service, so it will be called as Chat and not as Google Chat. Now your messages will be called as Chat. Google is trying hard to take all the carrier providers in the world all together. But like SMS, Chat won't be an end-to-end encrypted application. In other words, it is not as secure as Apple's iMessage or your normal Facebook and WhatsApp. The new chat services will be automatically turned on your mobile, but it will depend on your carrier provider. The chat messages will be sent with your data plan and not with the SMS plan. So you need not to pay extra money for the chat messages. It will cost you as your data plan. But what if you're texting someone who does not have this application? So in this case, your message will be converted to SMS and it will be sent to the receiver. And it is the similar case if you're sending a message to an iOS user. No one knows when the Google Chat or Chat will come on the Apple phone. Instead of pushing its earlier applications like Allo or Hangouts, Google is trying something new. So comment down now what do you think about this. Over the time, some new features will be added to the chat application like GIF search and Google Assistant. So that's it guys in this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sharing In. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.